Case name Sweta Chaudhary, age is 35 years. Today date is 17th of September 2024, and complaint of change in voice from July 2024. And ENT finding is no wave pattern in the right vocal cord, and there is a right vocal cord paralysis. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Okay, so my name is Sweta Chaudhary, and I've come here from Visakhapatnam. So sir, I saw a lot of videos of yours on YouTube. So, and my voice was actually end of July, it was completely gone, and then it started slowly getting better, but still there is a gap. It's not as it was before.
Post-therapy video of Sweta Chaudhary, and today date is 24th of September 2024. I want speech sample after the voice therapy. What was the problem, why you came, and how do you feel now?
So hi everyone, I came here on 17th September and today is 24th September. So I had an issue with my voice in August, and my voice was completely gone, distorted, not like I was not able to speak properly, lot of air breathiness was there. So I showed to ENTs, lot of ENT doctors, and they recommended, some of them told me I have dysphonia, some gap is there in my vocal cords, and then somebody suggested that it's a vocal cord paralysis. So for the treatment of vocal cord paralysis, I came here, and it's been 8 days now. So this is, I think I'm observing some improvement in my voice.
So you have recorded your voice on the first day and today's. What changes you have observed?
So there was a lot of comfort in speaking. Initially it was very difficult. I was putting effort while talking. There were hoarseness also in my voice. But I think it is better now.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for coming here and showing faith in us. Can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure. Okay. I think anybody facing this issue, please do, give importance, because your voice is very important. So do come here because I'm feeling there is a lot of improvement in me. So I can say at least.
Thank you so much for recommending our center. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes, like this video, share this video, so that people having dysphonia, phonatory gap and vocal cord paralysis, they can get some hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.